Chase Sapphire Preferred and Sapphire Reserve credit cards were just updated with some massive new benefits. And in this video, I'll be giving you all the new information so that you can decide which card is right for you. If you already have one of these cards, I'll be going through all the benefits so that way you can get the most out of your current card. And if you're deciding between one of these two cards, I'll be helping you make that decision. My name is Devin Cook. I love credit cards, and welcome back to Dev Money. So let's jump right into my iPad and see the changes that Chase has made. So starting off with the Sapphire Preferred, we're gonna see a lot of new categories where they've added bonuses that we can earn. First off, you can see that we're gonna get 5x total points back on all travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. This means that when you have this credit card and you book travel through the Chase portal called Ultimate Rewards, you're gonna be earning 5 points back on that purchase, which is significantly more than if you just use your credit card on googleflights.com, American Airlines, or wherever else you're gonna book travel. We're also gonna be getting 3 times points back on dining, including eligible delivery services and takeout, which is really cool because this now matches the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, which is significantly more in terms of the annual fee. So it's really great to see we're getting 3x points on this. Now this next one is a new category that they didn't previously have as a benefit before, and we're gonna get 3x points back on select streaming services. So that's pretty cool. A lot of cards have been offering points back when you use the card on streaming services, so it's cool to see that Chase is now doing that with the Preferred card. Next, you're gonna get 3x points back on online grocery purchases. This is gonna exclude Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs. Now, it would be really cool if we could get these 3x points back on in-store purchases, especially if that included Target and Walmart, where I'm sure a lot of people do the majority of their shopping. And then we also won't be able to use it on Costco, Sam's Club, those kind of wholesale clubs. But if you're going to stores like Winco, Sprouts, Kroger, Tom Thumb, Whole Foods, stuff like that, this should apply and you should get those 3x points. Now, you're also gonna be getting a $50 annual credit on hotel stays purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Now, this is gonna be pretty cool if you wanna book a hotel. When you do this through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you're immediately gonna get a $50 credit, which is gonna be pretty nice. And if you stay at a pretty budget hotel, this should account for at least a night's stay. Now, this next point is a really cool perk they added as well. You're gonna get a 10% anniversary point bonus. And that means that every year on the anniversary of your card, say if you spent $25,000 in that year, you're gonna get another 2,500 bonus points for keeping the card open. Kind of as a nice little retention perk. So as long as you're planning on keeping the card, just assume that you're getting 10% extra points back on everything you spend. So instead of 3 times points on dining, you're gonna get 3.1 times points on dining. Just a small little benefit, but it's nice. And then of course, currently you're gonna get 100,000 bonus points when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. They've had this promotion running for about 2 or 3 months now. It's really awesome, really excellent. And if you are thinking about this card, now is an excellent time to go for it. They included this in the press release as well, but you're gonna get a nice new redesign on the card, which it shows right here. So pretty cool. Now let's get into the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Now I'll admit that it seems like the Chase Sapphire Preferred got a lot more attention than the Sapphire Reserve card, because in my opinion, the Sapphire Reserve card didn't get quite as many new perks. And with the Sapphire Reserve, you're gonna get this 10x points back on Chase dining booked through Ultimate Rewards. So this is gonna work a lot like the American Express Platinum card. You can go into your portal online and you can book dining reservations through Chase Ultimate Rewards. And this is gonna get you 10x points back. Definitely a nice feature. I'm sure you wanna save 10% back on your restaurants. The only hassle factor to it is you have to go through a program called Talk. As far as I'm aware, there's not a whole ton of restaurants available on Talk. And then you do have the added hassle of having to go through the portal to book your restaurants and your dining experiences. So yeah, the 10x points are nice, but you do have to jump through some hoops to get those. Now, you're also gonna get 10x points back on hotel stays and car rentals booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Again, very nice to see. If you like to book your hotels and your cars through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you're gonna be saving 10%, which is really awesome. And then you're gonna be getting 5x points back on travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. A lot of these things that they're adding are really to compete with the American Express Platinum card, which has just recently been ramped up and renovated as well. And another thing that they're doing, which to me is just them trying to compete with American Express, is in addition to earning points later this year, Reserve card members will have access to Reserve by Chase Sapphire, featuring exclusive opportunities to book reservations at some of the most sought after restaurants across the country. So this just means you're gonna have access to a lot of bougie restaurants across the country. And so if you really like that kind of thing, this is gonna be really good for you because they're gonna help you get reservations. And then of course you get the 60,000 bonus points sign up bonus if you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months. And both of these cards, the Sapphire Preferred and Sapphire Reserve, keep their existing annual fees, $95 for the Preferred and $550 for the Reserve. So it's really good to see that the annual fee didn't increase like some other cards recently have. And keep in mind as well that these aren't all the benefits, these are just the new benefits. With the Sapphire Reserve, you're still gonna be getting your TSA pre-check credit, your $300 travel credit, and a bunch more things across the Preferred and Reserve lines. Now the main question you're asking, which card should you get? In my opinion, it's based on your personal situation, but if you like to travel occasionally, go to some restaurants, things like that, I would probably say to go with the Sapphire Preferred card. It doesn't have as high of an annual fee. You're still gonna get that 3x points back on restaurants. You're still gonna get good points back on travel. But if you are a heavy, big time traveler, you like to travel all the time, maybe every month, maybe every couple months, you're always going on trips, the Sapphire Reserve card is probably gonna be really great for you because you're also gonna be getting access to priority lounges and the new Chase Sapphire Reserve lounges, which are gonna be rolling out in a couple different airports in the coming years. So those are the new benefits for the Chase Sapphire Reserve and Sapphire Preferred credit cards. Let me know in the comments which one you're thinking about getting. Thanks for watching. Remember to click on this video right here, and I'll see you in the next video.